Well, National Preparedness Month gives us the opportunity to reach out to our residents and talk to them about emergency preparedness, developing a kit, working on your communications plan with your family, understanding where you want to meet your kids during a national disaster, how to build a kit, items that should go within that communications kit. Well, first I would ask all Fairfax County residents to sign up for Fairfax Alerts, which is our emergency notification system. But should you hear that a hurricane is potentially going to hit our area, some of the steps you may want to take are staying in the house. You want to be in a room central to your home. You want to have a kit available, which would have water, food, batteries, things that will allow you to stay in your home for a couple days. Fairfax County does have a lot of hurricanes, although recently they have not been as frequent as they have been in the past. They do pack high winds, lots of rain, and power outages to homes and businesses. Well, once a hurricane passes through, what you would typically see is flooding in certain parts of the county, down power lines, certain areas of the county that don't have power to their homes or residents. You could potentially see trees down. You could potentially see cars move from their parking locations. It really depends on the size of the hurricane and the duration of the hurricane. Any natural disaster is going to require that you are prepared. We want our residents to understand that the tips that we are providing to you today are used throughout the year, through snow events in the wintertime, through thunderstorms in the summertime, through hurricane season towards the summer and fall, flooding in the September-October timeframe. We want you to use these kits and prepare your family year-round for an emergency.